Why do you even think we're here today? It's because Captain Sullenberger did not head back to LaGuardia. Look, I just finished training on the A320, and I can tell you the only reason the plane operated as well as it did, that the aircraft could land anywhere, is because Captain Sullenberger turned on the auxiliary power unit.
He was simply following the QRH.
No, he wasn't. He wasn't following proper procedure at all, and I know because I had the QRH in my hands. If he had followed the damn rules, we'd all be dead.